Welcome to HydroGear Service Training. This video will cover troubleshooting HydroGear's Smartec electric line of products. At machine startup, the system will perform some safety checks to ensure the vehicle is safe to drive. If any of these steps are failed, the system will issue an e-stop to prevent driving or blade engagement. The first step is ensuring a driver is in the seat. If an operator not present fault is occurring while seated on the mower, the seat switch will need replaced. Next, the system is checking for neutral switch engagement at startup. Make sure the lap bars are locked into the neutral gate when attempting to start mower. If the PTO switch is engaged to activate blades during startup, the system will issue an e-stop. Ensure the blades are switched to off and restart machine. Finally, the drivetrains will issue a brake check to ensure proper brake function and issue an e-stop if not holding. If this step has failed, ensure the brake plugs located on the transaxles are fully tightened down. If further troubleshooting is required, please contact your local HydroGear dealer, and more information is available in the service and repair manual for your HydroGear product.